Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily remote work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be in the human resources field. But real quickly, I need a quick favor from you. Please leave down in the comments below what industries or fields you are interested in. Is it just anything customer service? Is it human resources? Is it graphic design? Is it healthcare, billing, or non-phone? Is it other types of healthcare? Please let me know what you're most interested in down below so I know what jobs to be on the lookout for. But today's job lead is from a company called Her Campus Media. It is a media company. They come rated on Glassdoor of 4.1 out of a 5-star rating, and they do have 131 reviews on Glassdoor. As always, I will have the company's Glassdoor page along with the application page linked down in the YouTube description box below if you want to do your own research on the company and then put that application in. But Her Campus Media is hiring a part-time human resource specialist to help with their human resources department. Now, real quickly, one thing to note, if you go all the way down to the bottom, they say they're interested in qualified candidates who are eligible to work in the United States. At this time, they are not able to sponsor visas. So this is for my United States folks only. But they are looking for somebody to work 20 to 30 hours per week. And it says those days and hours are flexible and to be determined with the candidate. But they are basically looking for somebody to help provide guidance and support to employees on all types of HR matters, working with other departments, management, and the legal teams to resolve any HR issues that come up. You'll liaison with a third-party PEO account manager to serve as the point of contact for administrative and benefit matters. So if people want to know what their health insurance or different employee benefits are, you'll manage and oversee the recruitment and hiring process, including supporting those hiring managers with any administrative aspects of interviewing and recruitment process. So you'll help manage the recruiting budgets, you'll help do the onboarding and offboarding when people get hired, all of their hiring paperwork, and you'll communicate any policy changes to staff. You'll also help organize, coordinate, and launch the company's diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives, and you'll oversee the professional development of the company culture building programs. Now, they are not requiring any kind of a college degree for this position. They would like somebody who has 5 to 7 years of some kind of human resource management or administrative kind of work. Someone who has great interpersonal communication skills, great listening skills, and great critical thinking skills. Somebody who can be successful in incorporating diversity and equity. Someone who is familiar with federal and state labor laws and who has strong relationship building skills. Now, one thing to note, it says, we believe the following setup is for success in the role, but if you don't have all of these qualifications and you still have some, please consider applying. And when you apply, tell them what makes you a great candidate. So just tell them about your background and what makes you stand out. Now, they are paying very well for this position, anywhere from $35 an hour all the way up to $43 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you found this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback that I am at least being helpful to someone out there. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.